At Untitled Pivot Fertilisers, safety is our #1 priority. We source and distribute bags that comply with the Australian standard AS3668. The following bag handling instructions are critical to keeping you and your workplace safe. Thank you for your attention. Before handling the bag, inspect the equipment and the bag itself. If a bulk bag has holes, frayed loops or faded colours that indicate UV damage, do not handle the bag. Before lifting, ensure that the forklift or lifting boom is within the safe working limits to carry the load. The fork tines are the correct width for the bulk bag being handled to ensure all lift loops or sleeves are vertical. Lifting hooks, tines, shackles and associated devices have no sharp edges or burrs. If you identify sharp edges, the lifting device should not be used. The filled bulk bag is stable. Where possible, use a dedicated lifting frame instead of a forklift to enable the loops to elevate vertically. During lifting, always ensure that loops are vertical and parallel and there's an even distribution of weight. When lifting a 4-loop bag, ensure the load is evenly spread by attaching the lifting device to all of the bag's lifting points. When lifting a 5-loop bag from the center loop, always lift the bag from the central point of the strap to ensure the load is evenly distributed. Ensure the lifting device is level. While moving a bulk bag, always ensure a clear line of sight. Give the bag the smoothest ride possible. Avoid abrupt stops and starts and travel slowly over rough terrain. Hold the bulk bag close to the mast and as low as possible, with the mast tilted back to an appropriate angle. Keep the bulk bag high enough to avoid contact with the floor or wheels of the forklift. Be careful not to bounce the bag on the forklift mast, as this may cause bag failure. Never drag or push a bulk bag. When storing bags, keep them out of direct or indirect sunlight and rain. Avoid groundwater by keeping them off the ground. Avoid extreme heat by storing bags away from ceilings. Ensure bulk bags are stable and on a level surface. If a bag is damaged whilst in storage, don't use it and don't attempt to repair it. Always be sure to follow correct procedure when emptying a bulk bag. No person should stand beneath the suspended load, particularly when emptying the bulk bag. This could result in serious injury or even death. Incorrect handling may result in bag failures. Some common causes of this are as follows. Poor handling, for example, cuts with a sharp object. Damage to loops due to sharp forklift tines or burrs on the tines. UV damage from exposure to sunlight. Excessive stress or strain on the bag or loops by not having the loops in a vertical position when lifting. Compromised bag straps caused by driving too fast over uneven surfaces. An uneven distribution of weight. At Untitled Pivot Fertilisers, safety is our #1 priority. If you have any questions or wish to speak to one of our representatives, please call us on 1800 009 832 or contact your local dealer.